Hello friends and welcome to TableTutorials, and today we are going to see how to make a simple paper plane. It's really easy to make and really easy to fly. All you need to have is a single sheet of paper, a cutter and a ruler. Paper planes made with glossy paper flies quite well compared to those like chart paper or any other kind of paper. For this video I have used a paper which I took out from my diary. Since I've used a page torn from a diary, I've got these rough edges on this corner. And now one of the most important steps is to fold the paper in half. We have to be sure that the crease which we make is perfectly in the middle of the page. Once you're happy, just go on and make the crease. I'm using the back side of my paper cutter for darkening the crease. Next, fold the top right corner of your sheet into a triangle. You must be sure that the top edge must match alongside the center crease. While folding this part of the sheet, we need to be sure that the top part is pinpointed so that when it flies, it cuts through the air and has an aerodynamic shape. The last and final fold that we need to make is like this. Make sure the folds are crispy. In this fold also, you need to make sure that the top points are pinpointed. So there it is friends, our simple paper plane is ready. You can always add some decorations as per your wish. Here I have folded the two corners of the plane and made them perpendicular to the wings to give a special effect to the plane. Thank you friends for watching. Do let us know your views in the comment section below.